Hi everyone! I'll show you a super delicious broccoli cream soup in today's video. Here you can see the ingredients, but you'll also find the exact list in the description. First, chop the broccoli into small, even pieces so they cook simultaneously. Add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of vegetable seasoning. My homemade vegetable seasoning recipe is coming soon. Cover the pot and cook the broccoli until tender. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the red roux. Pour enough oil into a small pot to cover the bottom. Add 1 to 2 heaping tablespoons of flour and mix well. You'll know you've added the right amount of flour when the mixture has a creamy consistency. I always make a red roux for soups that don't naturally have a red color, like tomato soup. When the roux starts to smell nice and turns slightly pink, remove it from the heat and add a teaspoon of sweet red paprika. Then, pour in cold water and mix well. The red roux is now ready. Once the broccoli is cooked, blend it with an immersion blender until smooth. Blend until creamy, but don't worry if there are a few bigger pieces left. It's very enjoyable biting into the tasty vegetables. When the soup is smooth, add the red roux. I usually pour it through a strainer to prevent lumps from forming in the soup. Add a bit of lemon juice and mix well. The red roux gives the soup a slightly brownish color, so it won't be a bright green anymore. But trust me, the paprika makes it taste so much better. Finally, add 1 deciliter of cream. After all, we're making a cream soup. Once it comes to a boil, it's done. It tastes best with homemade croutons made from crescent rolls. You can check out my Hokkaido cream soup video to see how I make them. Bon appétit! If you love creamy soups, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned! I have many more delicious soup recipes coming your way.